What's up, pre-assembly? We are sanding with 220 the sides and shelves. Most plywood has been sanded at the factory to 220. However, handling of the material on the saw as we're cutting and dadoing, we need to remove those abrasion marks, scratches, or dents. I will now orient the sides and have the best edges facing towards the front of the cabinet. I will select the bottom, mid, and top shelf and mark where they belong. Then I will cut the top shelf into 2 cleats, which facilitates the installation of hardware as well as installing the cabinets at the kitchen. Insert the bottom shelf, the mid shelf, and then the other side. Notice that gravity is my friend. We're going to close the dado, align it, and bring the cabinet right side up and check for square. Next is pre-drilling. I find that pre-drilling through the mouth of the dado is the easiest way to ensure the proper location of the fasteners. I will poke through the mouth of the dado and countersink ever so slightly to verify that the chips are out of the way. We will pre-drill the rest of the holes in both sides. And notice I'm over a trash can, so we don't put holes in the workbench. A 3-in-1 bit is what we're using. Now, I will locate the dado on the other side with a line that will inform the location of the nails and or staples in this case prior to fastening with the screws. See you next time.